Welcome back. Yes, it's the morning show right here on ABC News Radio, KMET 1490 AM, KVVB TV, Facebook Live, Periscope TV. We got BakeLikeAPro over there. We love BakeLikeAPro. He's got his YouTube channel over there, kicking it up, 400,000 subscribers. What will he do next? We do not know, but if you subscribe, you will. We got a lot of you tuning in on Periscope. Thank you for tuning in. BakeLikeAPro is back. I think BakeLikeAPro took maybe a tour around the world there for a few weeks. Good morning, BakeLikeAPro up in Canada. Go check out his YouTube. He's probably been so busy. Can you tell? I actually asked last week. I said, where has BakeLikeAPro been? Because I had some cooking questions that I know BakeLikeAPro would have been able to answer us. But he was probably putting more videos together. Go check out his YouTube channel. It's pretty cool. BakeLikeAPro, just enter that. You'll be joining about 400,000 plus subscribers over there, tuning in to his latest recipes. So, pretty exciting stuff over there.